Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Cook Out teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called CP Cookout. Instructors, it's an easy peasy, and it is the perfect line dance when you have some new people to come in, because all you have to do is just call out the step and you can keep the class moving, okay? Easy peasy. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Instructors, I will post the dance here. So if you want to share this with your students, please feel free. And also, thinking of sharing, I would love to personally invite you to the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can register right now and you can book your hotel. Please go over to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com and let's go. So let's start, we're going to start from this wall. So we start with a step drag with a triple. Okay, step drag, triple. Here we go. We're going to move to the right. Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. When you do that, you're going to walk to the right and walk to the left. Right, tap, left, left, right, tap, right. Okay? So pretty much we're going side to side. What we do on the right, we also do on the left. Let's do that again. Step drag, triple on the right, step drag, triple to the left. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Walk right, tap, left, walk left, tap, right. From here, the heel is up. It's time to move forward. So we rock right, left, shuffle, right, rock, left, right, shuffle, left. What perfect beginner line dance. What you do on the right, we do on the left. You do on the left. So we just finished moving side to side. Now we're moving forward. So the weight shifts to the front, to the back, and shuffle. Right, step forward on the left, front, back, shuffle, left. Okay? Again. Rock, right, left, shuffle, right, rock, left, right, shuffle, left. From here, the last step is on your left. We walk back 3 times. 1, 2, 3, tap. So walk back. Right, tap, out, in, and roll. So your quarter turn is a 4-ball dance moving counterclockwise. The right shoulder is going to move forward. So we walk back. Right, left, tap on the left. You're not finished on the left. You go out, in, shift that weight to the left, pivot, step pivot quarter, and roll with the right shoulder coming forward. This is your new wall, and you start over. So let's put it together. Step drag to the right. Right, left, left. Walk right, tap, left, tap, right. Rock right, left, shuffle right, rock left, right, shuffle left. Back right, tap, out, in, and roll. Okay? Now, let me give you the count. 5, 6, 7. Walk it out. 1, come to step drag. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Walk 5, 6, tap, 8. Up 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Okay? And the weight is on the left, and you start all over again. It's a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. So let's move it to this wall. Give us a chance to do it a few times before you're looking back at me, okay? So stand on this side right here, looking in this direction, and let's start from the top with the step drag on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4 left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Rock 1, 2, shuffle 3, and 4 left. 5, 6, shuffle 7, and 8. Back 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, 3, and 4 left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, 2, 3, and 4 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I'm not going to do it again because you'll be looking back at the camera. That is it. CP Cook Out. Perfect line dance instructors. When you got your classes, you got your beginners coming on a regular basis. They know the dances, and all of a sudden you get some new students in. Oh, you don't have to stop. Throw this line dance in and just call it out. Just call it out, and they can pick it up. And then after the class, make sure you send them the homework, okay? Please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. I would love to see you. Go to our website to register and book your room at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Look for the dance along so we can dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.